What the hell is that? Is that a mongoose? Never seen that in this park before. Oh, it was a chicken. We don't have chickens either. What the hell? I bet a little seasoning and that thing would taste great. Oh, there it goes. What does it do? Is it a flightless bird? Hot coal only? Come on, do something. I'll show you. What is that kind of thing gonna do? What are you doing, bird? Birds freak me out. But those things freak me out even more. Bird. Alright. You can see the contingent is coming. I'm getting the hell out of here. Later, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the bird.